What's up, guys? So today we are making a super easy keto chicken casserole. Super simple. It'll take you all like 5 minutes. So debone your chicken. You need 2 chickens. We used pre-cooked rotisserie chickens that we stuffed in the freezer until we needed them. Now make sure you save the bones, because the bones we will be using for bone broth. So put in a Ziploc baggie, put in your freezer, and in a couple of days my next video will be bone broth. And everything else that you won't be using for your casserole. Okay, you will need your 2 bags of cauliflower, 1 bag of broccoli, and some cheese. Just lots of cheese. Oh, bacon bits. You always need bacon bits. And ranch. Super simple. You're just going to layer it on top. So first you're going to use your cauliflower. Your 2 bags. You're just going to layer it on there. Broccoli. There's much less broccoli than there is everything else. There we go. And then bacon bits. And just layer that on top. I guess if you really, really like bacon bits, you can put extra. I just put a good amount on top. Okay. Then your ranch. You are going to make sure. I can't get anything off of that. Okay. Oh. You are going to make sure that it is pretty covered in ranch, but not like too covered in ranch, I guess. It doesn't need to be like a layer of ranch, just quite a bit. There we go. And now your cheese. Cheese goes on last. You need quite a bit of cheese because cheese is awesome. Cheese, cheese, cheese. This needs to be pretty much covering the top. Just cover the top. Okay, so you're going to put it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 40 minutes or until your broccoli and cauliflower are done. That's pretty much it. And yeah, you just put it in the oven, take it out, and eat it. It's delicious. And it's all done. It is delicious. But for a little bit of twist, my parents like to drizzle a little bit of buffalo sauce on it. And they say it makes it taste even better. So that's it for today. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you hit that notification bell, you will know when more videos are up. Okay, bye.